Hey my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Here I am back with a new video. Today I am making strawberry shake as summers are here. So let's get started. For this recipe you have to chop 5 to 6 strawberries, add it in the blender. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar. Here I am adding 1.5 cup of milk. Add 1 to 2 scoops of vanilla or strawberry ice cream. Close the lid and blend it. As strawberry takes longer time to blend, see, even after blending it for a long time, it wasn't blended properly. It still had chunks of strawberry in it, so I had to blend it again. And after blending it again, the consistency was right. See how fresh and pink it looks. Garnish it with strawberry and top it off with ice cream and enjoy. Do try this recipe and tell how it turned out in the comments. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you with another banger video. Bye.